Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something from Hakubaku. If you go to, gosh, what's their website called? Hakubaku-usa.com. You can get some neat stuff there. They've got a lot of good stuff. They've got really good ramen. Like so, single packs now. This is their restaurant style ramen, Umami Shio. And they've got a Shio. No, this is Umami Shoyu. Then they've got miso, and then they've got Shio. And they sent me one of each, thank you. And I'm going to be trying each one. But today, we're going to try the Shoyu. I can say Shoyu. But, yeah, pretty jazzed on that. And, yeah. So this is different. This isn't like a noodle block. This is, like, shelf-stable fresh. I don't know what else. That seems like that would be the right term for it. Comes with a powder sachet. And, where is it? I know there's... At least I think there's... Yes. There's a little snacky. We don't want that. Well, let's see. The first thing to do is you got your boiling water. You drop your sachet in there of seasoning. I just had the scissors. You saw me. There they are. If you're playing the drinking game at home, I lost the scissors already. But, yeah. Not hard for me to do, unfortunately. I often drop the scissors. Smells like a nice shoyu soy sauce scent. And let's give it a stir. That's what it mentioned. You do that first. And then you drop the noodles in, right? I'll make sure I get this right. 2 cups of water to the boil. Add the soup packet first, then add noodles. Stir gently. 2 to 2.5 minutes. The longer, the softer. So I'm going to do 2.5. One thing you should notice is, see these noodles in here? Let me make sure that you can see them. So these noodles aren't like a hard block of noodles. See that? They're loose. So don't just grab them out and try to put them in because they'll come apart like an accordion. They're dry, but they're springy. I'll show you what I mean. Haha, Shoyu. Now, there's the pun. There's the pun. So have a look. See? They're like fresh noodles, but they're different. They got a neat thing going on, and they're really good. I've had this before. I just haven't had the single sachet version. I've had the triple of the... They've got a tonkatsu and a shoyu that come in a 3-pack. Let's set this back to a boil and set the timer. Give it a little gentle stir it up. And yeah, you guys all on lockdown? We are. Basically everything's closed around here. It's kind of a bummer, you know. But one thing we did this weekend is we sat on our butts and did a lot of couch surfing, you know. And we watched, let's see, we watched the Tom Hanks Mr. Rogers. Won't You Be My Neighbor? Is it Won't You Be My Neighbor or A Day in the Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood? I think that's what it's called. But it was good. I liked that. And it was weird, though, seeing Tom Hanks pretend to be Mr. Rogers. But he did a good job of it, that's for sure. Then we watched Blade Runner and Blade Runner 2049. And honestly, my buddy Matt has been demanding that I watch that for a long time. I've seen Blade Runner a million times, but not the new one. And what I really liked about the new one was the fact that the way it was filmed and the way the storytelling was done and everything, it fit. It had some new technology to like the special effects, but it still had the same kind of feel, the same kind of music, same kind of everything. It worked perfectly. So we watched those, and then what did we watch? We watched Tiger King, which when I was walking yesterday, I heard people like, you know, there are people like jogging and stuff out. Every once in a while I hear blah, 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 Tiger King. And it was like, wow, I'm hip. I'm watching Tiger King. We watched all of it. Those people are freaking weirdos, man. That's cool. That's cool. It's their thing. It's like, here is a little pocket of drama in the universe you didn't know about, and now you're knee-deep in knowing about. So. And now... Oh, and we watched Frozen 2. And now we're watching Hillary. We're watching the Hulu documentary about Hillary Clinton. And it's really good. I've never been like a huge fan of Hillary Clinton. But I mean, hey, it's good. She's an interesting human. Yeah. She's done a lot of cool stuff. I mean, wow. She did a lot. She got a lot further than I did when I was her age, that's for sure. But yeah, kind of a neat set of things. And we watched all this stuff, I believe, yesterday. No. Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. But yeah, that was neat. And here we are. Oh, that smells hella good. So here's our shoyu all cooked up. So let's give this a try. It smells very meaty. Yeah, it's got an oomph to it. It's good. Good noodle, nice chew to it. Here's your broth. It's tasty. It's definitely got that comfort food kind of soy thing going on. Not exactly, doesn't have like that brewed soy sauce kind of taste. There's different angles I've noticed with shoyu. This is an angle I like. I approve. Definitely yummy for hunkering down if that's so where you're at. And yeah, you can go to, Hakubaku-USA.com, and you can also find it on Amazon. If you are just like losing your mind, you can just go over to the ramenraider.com and scroll down and you'll see the ads, and they're running an ad for it. If that works for you. That is fine with me. And let's egg and chashu and magic and magic and magic. Here we go. Magic and magic and magic and magic. Alright. Gonna make this puppy sing. Sing, puppy, sing. Uh-oh. It yelped for a second. Okay. And one thing you'll notice, there's a lot of noodle in this bowl, which is a good thing. But can be very hard for plating. At least for me. Love the mung bean sprouts. Definitely intrinsically important. Shoyu. Spring onion. I've got some Narutomaki right there. And some shichimi. I think I'm gonna go for black sesame seeds. It just sounds kind of nice. Anything else we want to throw in there? I don't know. That looks pretty complete. It's a complete meal. Yeah, I don't know what else I can do to improve on that. That's some tasty. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I know how we can improve on this. Got good noodles, we got good broth, we got lots of toppings. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a little Lao Gan Ma, what I like to call love sludge. Yeah. That, there. Not much else I can do to that. That looks yummy. Whoa. I saw, wait a second. Whoa. Uh-oh. It's like moving on its own. It's not allowed to do that. Do I need to tighten this? Let's see if that helps. 'Cause I don't want this thing to be dipping into the soup. No! Is this thing finally crapping out on me, folks? I think it is. Here, let me tilt this back. There we go. Let's see if that makes it a difference. There we go. I think we're good. I think we're good. Now, the last thing I want, ladies and gentlemen, is for my 360-degree wide-angle camera to fall into the Brahman. Here we go. All right. right, well, cool. Thanks to the folks over at HakubakuUSA.com. That's www.hakubaku-usa.com. Check them out. Give this stuff a try. You'll be glad you did. And I'm going to be reviewing their shio and their miso very soon. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.